Kajing tombor jong durmot jong Jisu ha surok cibinang da kirio ba Andre ke first information report FIR wala IT da o MBC ketura ubernat en marak ha khatsau trik yayong haduk mata kampat register setia.
When I told Chibanang, people of Chibanang informed me that the statue of Jesus was vandalized and it was dragged on the road. So I visited the place and I found that it was true. And after that I filed an FIR because the crowd was instigated by Momini, the former MLA and MTC, which led to the desecration and vandalization of the statue of Lord Jesus. So I filed an FIR immediately on 14th of April, but to my surprise, that FIR was not registered. So my question is there biasness in handling the Muslim leaders and the Garo leaders who are Christians? The Christian leaders, they have actually stood for the right of the people defending the constitution. But many cases has been slapped on the Garo Christian leaders, but no charges has been filed against the Muslim leaders. So this is a big question. If the government does not take this matter seriously, then we will have to take this matter at a higher level.